Thinking about starting a vending machine business, but you don't know where to start? You're not alone. I get so many comments and messages asking me the same questions. And in today's video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know if you're serious about starting to make money with vending. Stick around to the end because I'll be answering the most underrated question that nobody talks about, but it could save you thousands. I've placed over 25 vending machines across the UK, scaled my business to 6 figures, and yes, I started whilst doing a 9 till 5. These questions are coming straight from my Instagram DMs and messages, so let's get into it. Number 1, what card readers do you use? So I use Nayax card readers across all of my machines. They accept contactless cards, Apple Pay, and they give me real-time data on what's selling, which makes managing stock and performance so much easier, which leads into question 2. How do I handle restocking and inventory management efficiently? I use the Nayax product map to see what's running low before I even leave the house. I also keep a spreadsheet with stock levels per location. Once you've got a few weeks of data, you'll know what sells and where. Question 3. How many coins do you need in the coin mech for when you're setting up? My coin mech takes 50p's, 20p's, 10p's and 5p's. I usually start with between £20 and £25 minimum, just to make sure the customers are getting the correct change. If you are selling items for £1.25, for example, you're going to want to make sure there's 5p's in the coin mech. This way, people won't be complaining. Question 4. Do you have to pay rent or commission to locations? The answer is no, I don't pay rent or commission. Why? Because I'm offering quality service, free modern machines with contactless payments, which staff always want, which will equal to more sales, which is a win for me and the customers. Question number 5. Where can I buy the products from? I get my stock from wholesalers such as Costco, Best Way and Hancock's, and sometimes even supermarkets when there's a good offer. Start simple with the best sellers and go from there. Question number 6. Where can I buy a vending machine? So you can check out places like Ventrade, eBay and even Facebook Marketplace. Just make sure the machine is card reader compatible and is in decent condition. You don't need fancy, you just need functional. Question number 7. Do you need a license to start? You don't need a license to run a vending machine business in the UK, but I do recommend registering as a sole trader or as a business. And definitely get public liability insurance, just to be covered. Question number 8. How do I find and secure profitable locations? Personally, I phone them up, send them an email, or go and visit them in person. Focus on places with 50+ staff or constant foot traffic like offices and warehouses. And no, I don't offer a profit share. I provide a valuable service and that's enough. Question number 9. What types of products sell best in vending machines? Stick to the classics: Coca-Cola, Pepsi Max, Walker's Crisp, and chocolate bars such as Mars Bar and Snickers. Again, you don't need to be fancy, just stock the most popular products. Question number 10. What are the maintenance requirements and costs? Vending machines are very low maintenance if you keep on top of them. The most common issues I've had is with motors and coils. Nothing major, but it's definitely worth learning how to restart them or changing them when needed. Question number 11. What strategies can I use to scale my vending machine business effectively? You should reinvest what you make, build relationships at each site and with suppliers. Use each machine as a case study so that you can show potential new locations what you can offer. Consistency is key. Last question. Question number 12. What common challenges do new vending machine operators face? The biggest one? Choosing the wrong location. That's why I always say foot traffic over feelings. Just because it's easy to install doesn't mean it's going to make money. Start lean, track results, and adjust. I hope this has answered all the questions that you've been asking. If it helped, hit that like button and give me a comment below. I would love to know what you're struggling with so I can cover it in the next video. And if you want to learn how to launch your vending machine business the right way, my course is live now. The link is in the top line of the description, and let's build this together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.